everybody to the first episode of Import Podcast with PT. And today I have an amazing guest. Firstly, before I give you his name, he's a hackathon winner. He's a living AI. I'll tell you why in a minute. And then I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Molebogang Silahle, taking it to my guest, Mr. Limpopo. How are you, my good sir?
I'm doing well.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Nice.
I'm excited to be conducting this interview because I call you Mr. Hackathon because you always bag hackathons, bro. Yeah.
True.
But before we dive into that, can you introduce yourself to my viewers? A little bit about yourself. Yeah.
Okay. Limpopo is just a simple guy, I can say. Or maybe Mr. Hackathon, so he calls me. Yes, just a simple guy from Limpopo.
Yeah.
Specifically Begasfort. Attended all phases of school there, including varsity.
Yeah.
Because I went to University of Limpopo. That's where I started my studies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The people from Limpopo are genius, dog. Are smart, are very smart.
You know, that's not a lie.
It's not a lie.
Go to them there.
You're not even modest or being like, I'm shy, whatnot.
Nah.
Yeah.
Nah. Limpopians are smart, though.
Yeah.
Very smart.
I say
In
this.
all different compartments.
Yeah.
They're smart.
Yeah. I say this because I'm a Peter, I'm from Limpopo.
Oh.
Anyway, yeah.
Yeah. So, if I was to introduce myself or describe myself in one word, I would say curious. Yeah. That's me. I'm pretty curious, dog.
Okay.
Yeah. That's what drives me.
Yeah. You're always searching. You're always wanting to learn something.
That's the story of my life.
I think that's why you dived into hackathon.
Yeah,
But
true.
I've noticed that it's not simple, as they say. Like, it's not simple to win a hackathon. Out of how many candidates, like plus minus 30, that apply for a hackathon, and then you become number one?
Yeah, some be on like a minimum of 100 because some be on like online video. Yeah, so it depends.
So you fetch everything, visual, physical.
I do my thing.
So what motivates you, bro?
Okay, pretty interesting question. What motivates me? I think at this moment it's safe to say I'm my own motivation in a way.
Yeah.
I don't know how to put it, but
Yeah.
the curiosity in me keeps me alive in the game, more especially in coding.
Yeah.
So I go on searching for new stuff to explore.
Okay.
That's what actually pushes me, and that's how I got into hackathons, because it was something spoken, but I didn't have like enough information. So I just thought maybe why not try? Why not compete and showcase what I can do?
Yeah.
But I don't want to lie to you. I lost a lot.
And then you kept on going.
Yeah.
The drive, dog. Like having the drive. I don't think you're enduring that pain of like keep on failing. Oh, I can see it here. Well, thanks to our sponsors, by the way. We Think Code, we are able to conduct this interview. Look, here at We Think Code, we have like things like tests and whatnot. Seeing your code fail, that thing sometimes makes me want to quit. Like you on hackathons, keep on failing. What makes you go back?
I think let's start on that 1 year code.
Yeah.
Having an error, it's something that needs to give you pleasure. I don't know if I will make sense to most of the listeners or your followers.
Yeah, no,
but having a bug, it's something positive to me. Take it that way.
Yeah.
Because, you know, there's a certain instance that people never get through experience or stuff. But in coding, when you're deep in coding, you get to a certain point whereby you're not getting an error, but your code is not giving you what you want.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So having an error message,
Yeah.
that drives you and like sharpen you to be able to fix problems that you encounter.
So that's success.
That is a success. Yeah, true.
All right. So that's what drives you on hackathons. You know at the end you're gonna win.
True.
All right.
True.
To the cohorts here in Within Code, what would you like to say to them in terms of like they want to enter into a hackathon? What advice would you give them?
Never enter a hackathon, especially when you're studying. Never enter in like a mentality of the money because there is price. You get what I'm saying? Never enter like with that mindset of I'm going there to take it.
Be honest.
When
you see 100,000 there, you like, I'm not here for the money.
You know, Being there for the money, that's what gonna make you fail.
Cool.
I don't wanna lie.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause hackathons are not only competition.
Yeah.
They're like something that wakes you. You see how people get to think around a problem.
Yeah.
You see how they approach it. You see like different approaches.
Yeah.
You're not gonna believe me if I tell you that my drive into AI was being driven by a certain guy which I don't know. He did this other specific thing I won't mention live, but
Okay.
that blew my mind.
Okay.
That made me to go and dig deep.
Ish, I wanted more. Bro. I wanted more.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So
Okay. I get you, nah?
Uh-huh.
I understand. Let's touch base on AI since you mentioned it.
okay.
Let's touch
Nice.
base on AI. Like, I don't like how AI is replacing a lot of industries. But you seem to find pleasure in making your AI work. So destroying jobs, actually.
Oh, you know, that's a take. But okay, I'm gonna be honest with you.
Yeah.
An innovator or someone who just doesn't only consume AI but
Okay.
innovate with it will tell you the opposite, because AI is not taking jobs. AI is enhancing.
Huh. So, yeah?
AI is like that tool that actually makes everything look shiny.
Okay.
The final touch of everything. That's
Okay.
AI. So I get a lot of naysayers. AI is taking this.
Yeah,
AI is gonna do this.
yeah.
But that's not the intent of AI.
Yeah.
And there are ethics to AI. So meaning it's managed. In a way, AI with good ethics will never in a way replace someone or replace any job. It makes it easier for individuals.
At We Think Code, we believe anything is possible. Through dedication, passion, and bravery. Our mission is to close the digital skills gap by providing untapped talent the opportunity to kickstart their journey to becoming skilled software engineers. Join us at We Think Code and be a part of our mission to develop Africa's top tech talent.
Yeah, back from our sponsors, we were talking about AI, bro. Yeah, I like the fact that you're saying it creates jobs in a sense. It's your mindset.
Oh, yes.
Yes. It's your mindset.
It's definitely your mindset.
Yeah.
And another thing is that, like, try to be relevant with AI. I'm not saying
In a
use
sense.
AI,
Yeah.
but get familiar with it, how it works. Because whatever job you acquired or whatever job you're in, definitely there's gonna be an introduction of an AI vision or a touch, a sparkle, right? So to be on the right side, you gotta familiarize yourself with AI. For that moment when it arrives, you're not surprised. You're not like exposed to new things. You know what I'm saying? Yeah,
So what we actually fear is,
that's true. Valid.
yeah, okay, I get you. And then there's this thing that I saw the other day, bro. This guy, I'm not lying, swear, his computer was working on its own. It went to Facebook, it texted me, and then, my boy. So with that, what's the process? Like, that was magic.
Yeah. Automation, computer use, browser use. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know,
You're using Python?
yeah, I'm using Python.
Okay.
Yeah, that's my core foundation
Okay,
language.
okay.
Yeah, and it's pretty nice, scalable and fast, and in more especially in AI.
Yeah.
I would recommend.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Take us through the process, the steps. Actually, like, what was? How did you manage to do that? I see magic. I still say this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You know, it's pretty interesting because there's layers in this thing.
Yeah.
Like in AI, it's pretty layers that when followed or when executed correctly,
Yeah.
you reach a part whereby you get to understand things like what you just saw
Okay.
and automation.
Yeah.
But it requires time. What's happening is that there is computer use.
Yes.
They usually call it in simple terms, maybe not trying to be deep in the deep terms. Automating the boring stuff. Okay. So in my spare time, that's what I do. I play around with, there's an open source called Browser User.
Okay.
Browser User.
Browser user.
It's a very informative thing, and it works brilliantly.
Yeah.
So what it does is that it automates actions
Yeah.
and tasks on the web. If you want to go extract some certain information on the web, you just tell it, do this and this and this and this, and it does it. And currently I've been working on something that involves what you just saw there.
Yeah.
I don't know if I should expose it a bit, but okay, I'm gonna give a tip of it.
Yeah.
So it's something that can go in real time. You looking at it, it goes and do grocery for you.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So the intent of it is that.
So it can, sorry for cutting you. It can find you the right price. It can put everything in your check. What is it? Check box, ne?
Yeah, card.
You check card.
Yeah.
Yes, that's how you know I don't shop online. Check card.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It does all that.
Okay.
More specific, you just tell it the items that you need. Maybe, for example, milk, butter, and what, flour. And then it goes, or maybe you tell it in specifics with the brand. So it goes and search and select and put it in the cart and then proceed to check out.
Now tell me that's not magic.
No, it's not.
It's just
AI.
It's
just
just
AI,
AI.
man.
Kids,
Yeah.
I hope you're taking notes. I hope you're taking notes because I saw this, I don't know, I read something that says like, I think 5% population in South Africa are able to build their own model and deploy it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like that's a market.
Apparently what I can say with AI in South Africa, certainly,
Yeah.
I would say it's a ghost town that no one wills to visit.
Okay.
And as soon as we get the need of visiting that ghost town, there's a diamond or a mineral under it.
Yeah.
It's so rich.
That's the thing with us, right? But I hope
You get what
day
I mean?
we'll
Yeah.
get there. I hope one day we'll get there. Well, thank you for that inciting information, my brother. I hope everyone is taking notes because I'm telling you, look at his face. Look at his face, not for the wrong reason, but look at his face. Look at his face. Remember this guy. This is Mr. Limpopo, Mr. Hackathon. I am inspired by you, my brother. I just want to take this moment. I'm inspired by the work you do.
Thanks, mate.
Don't quit. I know you won't. You come from Limpopo, simply.
I'll never quit.
Yeah.
I don't have it in me. The quitting thing. I just hear it on the street.
Yeah. And I hope every student in our cohort will be able to like talk to you because I know you're a good guy.
True. I'm always open.
Yeah.
Open.
Yeah. You help me a lot with understanding a lot of things. But I know for sure when it comes to hackathons, you have no friend.
No. I slaughter.
Thank you
for
coming here, my brother. Thank you for your time. And I hope there'll be a part 2 because my viewers, I'm sure they are more interested looking at me. They rather look at you. My brother.
Thanks a lot, mate.
Sure.